If your Dell 2-in-1 laptop's touchpad or keyboard stops responding, whether in Windows or even in the BIOS, it's often because the system mistakenly switches into tablet mode, which disables built-in input devices. In this video, you'll learn how to recognize the issue, understand why it happens, and restore functionality by checking system behavior and updating BIOS and drivers. This issue usually occurs when the laptop incorrectly detects that it has been folded into tablet mode, which by design turns off the keyboard and touchpad. The hinge sensor can be triggered accidentally, such as from pressure, or when devices are stacked, causing the system to enter tablet mode without the user noticing. Since Windows 11 relies on hardware sensors rather than a manual toggle, to detect orientation, a misreading can leave the device stuck in tablet mode even when it looks fully open. One of the most reliable ways to resolve this issue is by updating your BIOS and drivers using Dell Support Assist. To get Support Assist, open a browser and go to dell.com/supportassist. Select Support Assist for home PCs, click Download Now, and open the installer once it finishes downloading. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. Before updating anything, ensure your laptop is plugged into a power source. Then, click the Windows Start button, search for Support Assist, and open it. In the Home tab, choose Update Software and click Start. Support Assist will scan your system and show a list of available driver updates. Select View Updates, click Install, and allow the tool to download and install everything. When prompted, restart your computer. After rebooting, your system should load normally, and in many cases, the touchpad and keyboard will begin responding again. If you have any questions about your Dell 2-in-1, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel for more helpful Dell support content.